Why sync your habit tracker with Google Calendar?
Syncing your habit tracker app with Google Calendar helps boost organization and accountability. It lets you visualize your daily routines alongside meetings and events, making it easier to stick to habits. Plus, seeing your progress in your main calendar helps you spot patterns and stay motivated.
Checking your app's sync capabilities.
First, check if your habit tracker app supports Google Calendar integration. Popular apps like Habitica, Habitbull, and Streaks may offer direct sync, while others might require exporting data as a calendar file. Visit your app's settings or help section to confirm if Google Calendar Sync is available.
Setting up direct integration.
If your Habit app offers direct Google Calendar integration, go to its settings and look for a Calendar Sync or Integrations option. Log into your Google account when prompted and grant permission for calendar access. Afterward, select which habits or routines you want to appear on your calendar.
Using calendar feeds or export options.
Some apps provide a calendar feed link in iCal or .ics format. Copy this link from your Habit app and open Google Calendar on your desktop. Click Add Calendar, then from URL and paste the link. Your habits will now appear on your Google Calendar, updating automatically as you track progress.
Tips for managing synced habits.
Customize your synced habits appearance in Google Calendar by changing colors or notifications for better visibility. If you add or change habits often, periodically review your integration settings. This ensures your calendar stays clear and focused, making habit management seamless with your daily schedule.